Hey guys, I'm Yolanda Mabanga and you are tuned into another episode of UBUNTU.biz. Today, I'm interviewing a very phenomenal woman by the name of Mandisa Mkhize, who is a jack of all trades. She runs a company called Nwabah Events that deals with catering, decor, you name it. And of course, I'm here today to find out how she manages to navigate all of this and more. So do join me. Mandisa, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me today. I can see, just looking at this scenario that we're in right now, that you are a jack of all trades. I mean, looking at your work, not only do you do decor, you do catering, you even bake for your events. I'm talking about cupcakes, platters, the real deal, everything else. Such a tangible to Ube DJ, like a function. Why aren't you a DJ? I'm sure even after the function, you do a little shisanyama for the guests if that's what they want.
If they want that.
Are you serious?
Yes.
That is amazing. How did this company, Nwabah Events, start?
It started in 2014.
Okay, that was a while back.
Yes.
And what inspired it?
I don't know, but I've always had a dream to have my own restaurant one day, but without any funding, any income. So I used to do small events for my friends, families, for free.
For free?
Yes.
This was your form of advertising?
Yes. Yeah. Then I will put it on my Facebook. That's how all started.
You started as a one-man show. You were working by yourself?
Yes.
How many people are you working with right now?
I'm working about 6 to 7 people.
So all these people are working for you now, since you're established. Congratulations.
Thank you.
That is a very big achievement.
Thank you.
And so, starting with the cooking phase, how did it evolve to where it is now with the decor? How did you move from one step to the next step?
To tell you the truth, I don't know how it just happened. People will ask me, do you do this? Do you do this?
And of course, if you see opportunity, you wouldn't say no.
Yes, I can't say no for money.
Yeah.
Yes, I'll grab every opportunity that I get.
So you found yourself, searching and buying decor, or did you get assistance? Were you doing everything by yourself?
No, I'm doing everything by myself. But I used to hire from people that I don't have. Then, if Ben Kokelama deposit, Angili deposits,
okay, that's smart, yeah.
Yes, that's how I'm doing my business.
Yeah. Yes. This industry that you're in, catering, decor, it's a very full industry. It's very occupied. So how do you as an individual keep your head above this water and stand out from the rest?
I don't know.
You don't know? Yes. Is it maybe because of your client base?
Yes, it's because
you have
of my
loyal.
client. Yes, I'm loyal and I've got a respect. Yes. I know how to communicate with people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you're not... You know, because people in decor and catering, they have a tendency of being late sometimes. Are you guilty of that?
Yes, I'm guilty of that.
But clearly you deliver because you do have a client base, a steady client base. How do you get more customers to come into to know about your work?
It's a referral thing.
I'm going to ask you this question because, of course, we've just come out of Women's Month. So I need to ask you how it is that you balance your career out. Because I know with this industry, you have to work on weekends. So, I mean, that makes you a very busy person. I mean, how do you stay on top of things when it comes to being with your family on weekends, keeping that balanced life as well? How do you do that?
I can say I don't have time for my family. Because I'm always working.
Is it?
Yes.
And the understanding of that?
Yes, yes.
Did you go to school for this industry you're in? Did you ever study anything else before?
Yes, I did, for hospitality.
Okay. Yes. Where?
At City Training Center. It was a short course. And I went to Suncoast for my internship.
Okay. So this was before you started the company?
Yes.
And then after that, you decided, let me work for myself, or is it because you weren't getting employment?
Esankost bang ofarish umsebenzi, and I told them that I don't want to work because I'm not a talkative people.
So you told them that
I'm not interested in working. I'm only here for experience. Then I will start my own business.
That's what you initially wanted, to work for yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. But for only catering, that one. Yes.
Until this day, you don't regret your decision?
No, I don't.
What lessons have you learned along the way? I'm sure you've come across a number of challenges. What are the difficult scenarios that you can tell me?
I've been through a lot. A lot.
Just give me a scenario where you faced one of the biggest challenges in your career.
Ngakhohlwa iphathi yengane, like ayikuthi ngakhohlwa ngaphambanisa ama dates. Iphathi yengane ngangithi mina ikule week le landelayo, kanti ikule week lo Saturday lo engangisebenza ngawo, I think ngangisebenze lo. Then uma ngane yangifonela uyangibuza ukuthi ngikephi.
Imagine
ngiyasho nami kahle ukuthi ngiselovu ngiyasebenza. Uthi ayibo uzanini kumina, ngithi mina ayibo wena next week. Uthi ayibo inamhlanje. Kanjani? Then mengithi ngiyabheka ya uqinisile, kanti vele izinto eziningi vele ngase ngiyithengile, so ngahlanganisa kodwa kangabe ilokhu like into ade uyiplanile ukuthi uzoyenza manje kwangabe ikona. Then the following year ngamtshela ukuthi ngizomenzela iphathi engane yakhe mahala, ngaya kuyena ngayenza iphathi, and it's right naye uyangilethela ama client.
Oh, that's good. So you recovered.
Yes,
good for you. And you still have a relationship with her.
Yes.
A business relationship.
Yes.
Well, that's how you do it, Mandisa.
Yes.
So Mandisa, tell me, what kind of events do you specialize in?
In kiddies parties, baby showers, bridal shower, traditional ceremonies, also weddings. Yes.
Where do you see Nwabah Events going in the future?
Ngiyabona ngiya phambili because ngiyawuthanda umsebenzi wami, and ngithembekile kuma client ami because akukho la ngizoya khona ngaphandle kwabo. So yeah, khona la ngibona ukuthi ngiyakhona. Yeah.
Any word of advice for anyone who wants to join the industry that you're in? What could you give them?
Kumele uhlezi uthobekile, uthembeke, and imali business ayidliwa.
That's the most important.
Yes, ayidliwa. Yeah, lokho kutholayo, you must buy something that you don't have.
Mandisa, have you ever catered for, I don't know, local celebrities in your company?
Yes.
You have?
Yes.
Would you care to mention any names?
Sbu from Uzalo. Who else? Ibaningi guys.
There's a lot. It's too much.
Yes.
Too much. Just the money is rolling in, most.
Ow! You know, people, they don't want to pay.
How does it work? Do they have to pay deposit first before you do anything?
Deposit first. You pay deposit first, then I'm organizing everything for you. Then ngifike ngenze into lesivumelane ngayo, ubone ukuthi khona konke yini lokho ade ukufunile, then you pay my balance.
Thank you so much, Mandisa, for taking the time to talk to me today. I wish you all the best for Nwabah Events and progress going forward.
Thank you.
Most people go to school to get their paper so they can work for someone else. But then you get special people like Mandisa Mkhize who go to school just so they can get their paper to work for themselves. And of course, that is something to admire. I mean, of course, it's not easy. It takes a lot of courage and discipline, but it's possible. And for that, I salute her. Now, if you know of any other entrepreneurs, you can let me know below, or you can find me on Instagram and on Facebook as Yolanda Mabanga. Otherwise, from me, until we do this again, it is a goodbye.